Hello friends, welcome to Sil Sunshine Yoga. There is a saying, don't take your health for granted, because when you suffer, life becomes valueless. You can give value to your life only by doing yoga and meditation on a regular basis. Let's practice. Let's begin by sitting in any comfortable position. Now straighten your hands forward and let's do wrist rotation clockwise and anti-clockwise. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now, let's do a fist open and close. Open, close, open, close. It strengthens your fingers. Next, let's do some neck exercise. Right and left. Bend your neck right and towards your left. Keep repeating for a few rounds. Then look up and down. Up and chin to the chest. Let's repeat the process. Next, hands by the side of your chest. With inhalation, take it up, and exhalation, bring it down to the chest. Be in the Namaskara Mudra. When we inhale, take your hands up. With exhalation, bring it to the chest. Next, let's do cat and camel. Look up with inhalation. Arch your back, come down with exhalation. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. A very good exercise for your lower back. Keep doing for a few rounds. Next, take your right hand up. With exhalation, bring it in between your left hand. Again, inhale and take it up. Exhale, down. Inhale, hands up, look up. Exhale, come down. Now let's switch our hand. Inhale up, exhale in between your right hand. Up, down with exhalation. Up and down with exhalation. Next, lie down on your chest. Just hold both the hands at the back, upper body up and down. Inhale and take your body up. Exhale, down. Up and down. Up and down. A good exercise for your back. Up and down. Next, put your hands by the side and with the support of your hands, inhale and come up. Up and down. Up and exhale and down. Next, just come up and and come to child's pose. Relax for a while. It's very important to relax yourself in between your yoga session. Just relax. Relax. Now, let's come to elbow plank. Stay in this position for some time. It'll take care of your belly fat. Stay calm. Stay focused. Just relax in this position. Your body straight and parallel to the ground. Hold the pose as long as you can and then come up to the high plank. Just stay focused, stay strong in this position. Stay calm, stay focused. Stay in this position, and whenever you want, you can just relax for yourself. Next, just lie down on your back. With the support of your hands, pull the right knee towards yourself. And let's do an ankle rotation clockwise and anti-clockwise. Release the right leg and catch a hold of your left. Ankle rotation clockwise and anti-clockwise. Let's repeat. Right leg. Hug it. And rock and roll your ankle. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Do the same with your left leg. Relax. Now take both the knees up and hug it with your hands. Head up. Just stay in this position for some time. And come down. Now let's do Setu Bandhasana. Inhalation, hip up. With exhalation, hip down. Up and down. Up and down. Inhale and exhale. Repeat the process. Very good exercise for your lower back. Now let's lie down in Savasana, eyes closed, focus inward. As we come to the end of this session, it's time to focus deep inside. Feel the changes that has happened inside your body. Relax yourself. Relax your thoughts. You are getting more closer to yourself. Such a precious moment. Relax. Sampurna relax. Relax. And slowly come up, eyes closed. Sit down in any comfortable position. A deep inhale And exhale. And whenever you're ready, rub your palm, generate the heat, give a massage to your face, and welcome yourself. Thank you for joining me today.